To deposit using Wells Fargo mobile banking, start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device. If you have not already, download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log into your account using your username and password or fingerprint authentication if available. After logging in, tap the menu icon and select Deposit Checks. You will be prompted to review and accept the terms and conditions of the deposit service. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to accept. Next, select the account where you want to deposit the check and enter the amount of the check. Make sure to enter the amount correctly to avoid any issues with the deposit. You will then be prompted to take a photo of the front and back of the check using your device's camera. Place the check on a flat surface and ensure the check is endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only at Wells Fargo Bank." Take a clear photo of the front of the check, making sure all four corners are visible and the check is well lit. Repeat the same process for the back of the check. Once you have taken the photos, review them to ensure they are clear and legible. If the photos are not clear, retake them as needed. After reviewing the photos, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the deposit has been received and is being processed. It may take a few days for the deposit to be fully processed and available in your account. You can check the status of the deposit in the mobile app by going to the deposit history section. It is also a good idea to keep the check in a safe place for a few days after the deposit has been made in case there are any issues with the deposit. To avoid any issues with the deposit, make sure to use good lighting when taking the photos and ensure the check is properly endorsed. Also, be aware of the daily and monthly deposit limits for mobile deposits, which can be found in the Wells Fargo mobile app or on the Wells Fargo website. By following these steps, you can easily deposit checks using Wells Fargo mobile banking. This convenient service allows you to deposit checks from anywhere, at any time, making it a great option for those with busy schedules.